Hey vlog, welcome to my guys. Kyrie is mixing now the patabang lupa with watery with too much water. We are planting now tomato, silly green. Hi ladyfinger. Don't mind the diaper there over there. This is our luyang native. Silly green again. Baby tomato. And this is avocado, guys. Kamuti namin, guys. Patay na. Kung hindi diligan. Init kasi. We go ligo later in the water pump, okay? We will finish the our project. This is our project now, planting tomato. Okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have only 5 tomato. We need more.
About tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. But you don't want ketchup. Okay. Bye na sa vlog. Bye vlog.
How about tomato combined with chili?
What's that?
A cooler fruit?
A tomato sauce with chili. It's so hot, bro.
It has only water in the front.
Yeah, you're so dugyot na. Bye guys. Bye vlog.